Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Code Like It. Guys, if you find this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel. Now let's do today's problem. Earliest finish time for land and water rights film. Given the two categories of theme park attractions, land and water rights. Land rights start time of I. The earliest time the ith land ride can be boarded. Duration of I. How long the ith land ride lasts. Water rides. The water start time, the earliest time the jth water ride can be boarded. The water duration of jth, how long the jth water ride lasts. The tourist must experience exactly one ride from each category in either order. So, so we can take we have to take at least one of the water ride and a land ride, and the order doesn't matter. So we can choose land ride first or water ride first, or water ride first or land ride later, something like that. A ride may be started at its opening time. This is the start time, or any moment later. For example, the start time is 10 and it can start at 10 or after that, like 11, 12, 13 after that. If a ride is started at time t, it finishes at time t plus duration. Immediately after finishing one ride, the tourist may board the other if it is already open, or wait until it's open. It means that if a water ride starts at 10 and ends at 12, and at 12 we can start any land ride if it is open, or if it is not open, that we can wait, something like that. Return the earliest possible time at which the tourist can finish both the rides. Okay, so we are given input land start time, land duration, water start time and water duration. So it means there are two land rides and their durations are 4 and 1. If we start first land ride, it starts at 2, ends at 6, because 2 plus 4 equals to 6. Then we can start water duration, water start time at 6. We can start this ride and it will end at 3. At 6 plus 3, 9. So answer will be 9. So since the constraint, let's look at the constraint here. N and M, which is the size of land start time and water rights. So N and M are less than are very small, like 100. So we can propose a big of N solution here. So what we are doing is, for every water ride, for every land ride, first of all we are trying to check if we can find any water ride, or if we don't able to find water ride, then what we can do is, after finishing that the land ride, we can start that water ride. Similarly, after so the second part of the solution will be, first of all we will try all the water rides, and then we can try to find the minimum time required to finish the land ride immediately after this water ride. So what we are doing is, we are just declaring the result as int max. Land ride will be of size n, water rides will be size m. First of all, we are trying to finish this land rides. So if the water rides start time is greater than the land rides, the current land ride start time plus duration, it means after finishing the current land ride, if we can start the water ride, then what will be the minimum time of finishing both the rides will be water start time plus water duration. If we cannot finish, if the water start time is less than, it means the water start time will be before we can finish this land ride, then what we can do is, we will be starting this water ride after exactly finishing this land ride. So now the time will be minimum of res and land start time plus land duration. This will be the time when we end our land ride, and immediately after this we are going to start our water ride. So we are incrementing by water ride duration. Similarly, this case for first here we are doing water ride land ride first, then water ride. Here we are doing water ride first, then land ride first. So similar logic here, and in the end we are returning this res. So time complexity will be big of m cross n, because we are using for loop. First one is of length n and second one is of length n, and we are using it 2 times. So big of n cross n, and the space complexity will be big of 1, because we are not using any external space. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.